Kebeli pibaro ashkatub Khubor jungi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Tingi paishwach kimat ki bakongsan. Pediang buram Menteri Rang Ka Jylla yang kaswarnem Vijay Mashal. Ka Jylla aban penbej puot kan long ka Golden Jubilee gift ya Ka Jylla renikten. Bat 6,000 tengka kadbadang don COVID, bat 8,000 tengka wat hadinu COVID, in siyo ka sorkar Meghalaya ASHA. Tementang ini paish ki Khubor ki bakampanya. Kumshi benta bandaki san post nem ka jingjok thma kari India ya ka Pakistan haus nem khat khandai spa inyo powai. La pediang burom ya ka swarnem Vijay Mashal da Menteri Rang Ka Jylla Hamadan Polo mentakasngi arp khandai tarik unaitung arajar powai. Lazang ben penyak hakeleng kari ya ka swarnem Vijay Mashal ha kedor ka dong musa ka balong ka syap ka muhor jong ka jingjok thma kari na do National War Memorial New Delhi ha ka khandriu tarik unno pra arajar arpo but one point Ka Jylla ha ka arpunyo tarik unaitung arajar powai.
By the sovereign state of India on East Pakistan. The flame is being taken to all the army commands by brave soldiers of the Indian Army, Air Force and Navy. The journey will culminate on 15th December 2021 when the victory flame reaches its destination at National War Memorial, New Delhi. Today, we are here to commemorate not only the victory of Indian armed forces during Liberation War of 1971, but also the valor, courage, gallantry, and selfless service made by our soldiers in the war. It is their supreme sacrifice that brought us the glorious victory in the war. Lest we forget their immolation, and so here we stand. It's my esteemed privilege to be on the dais and also be a part of this historic. We forget their immolation, and so here we stand. It's my esteemed privilege to be on the dais and also be a part of this historical moment, which will be inscribed in the hearts of ours and time immortal. Thank you very much and Jai Hind.
Nakaliang ubara nikten tongkar ula kerpa di kipat ba bakin ai jingmut khnang banya trailang bat ka sorkar banya penbej upot usam jongki artli ki Jylla shwa ban poi shaka san post nem ka jingrakhe ya ka jingyo Jylla bapura
shaka conclusion namar ba we yang iskam bangidon ka jing sempang ka jing start bo bleu ai yang ya ka bangin school to practically kumno ngin poi hakata ka solution te ngarakat pat ya barok kipat ba bangin ai na minta ka jing ai jingmut dah kebangun dia trailang, bat ke sorkar, bat ikut leti, bangin yo, ladang yo 100% ru, yo no yo put, ban yo ban penbet, ya kini kijing ya kini area, lada kalong marsiteng, lada palat ika marsiteng, lane lada isne yo belai, wiarap dengi, bun ai kijing start kijing pang dengi, ya berarti lagi state, bangin lah ban penbet 100%, haswa bangin rakhe biang ya ke jingdap sampus nem jong ka state Meghalaya katakan nong ke jing kemenba ya ka state baru huai ladangi la ban yok ya kan ka gift ka Golden Jubilee gift ya ki panba ban result batun beju putusam nangai kende ke jing ai ka krau tam ya ki panba ya ka state Meghalaya ngin pesang ban le kata oi isu thu ba kamang masuk ya ki jerwat ki bah ki kusnam baru khoi in bersama pembaca dari kalong kabala banle lada kipai bak ki ai ke jing kersan ha ke ji trelang ha ke ni kabanta ditang kutahi kit pokirmel bangin yo no ikut som baskem state Meghalaya baru
Halor ka jing snai ka regional committee ubaran ikten ulai tho maka jing don jong ka regional committee kan ya raban bishar benya iki Jylla ha ki khapur bajar ka jing yakan ad
fi kam kalong ban kum na kene ban conduct inspection ya Shillong haki area in the area of differences. Kene kita antara committee will submit a report on the list of villages including the population and ethnicity of the people in the above areas of differences. The committee shall submit a report to the government within 1 month from the date of issue of this notification. The committee may also submit interim report. The Deputy Commissioner of West Kasihir District may, with the approval of the chairperson of the committee, notify the names of the co-opted members. Ngindang co-op ketua kini kibru kiberan leader kiberan kam, akan komiti ia kita ini adalah banyak sim juga beri ajeng.
Nakaliang ubaran nagtan ulay turu, bahadin balay iya ka jing tre stom jangkit ng tre ASHA kathan, nakaliang Chief Minister ula kular ban pinkiyo sa 6,000 tangkay ki ASHA, nalor ka 6,000 ki balayo nakabantaban niya kunya ka klam. Ulaong kadang don ukunyang COVID-19 kin yobet ka 6,000, badya ka 6,000 kin yobet wat lada ka kod ka klam ro.
Bat ngasngaw ba kalalong ka jikar ku, kam ya kaway ka jing penbenah, Chief Minister lo penbenah ban ong bakum, ban nang yarap susu iki ASHA. Haka ni kabiting haka je kun yo COVID-19 na lor ba kilayok 6,000 si benai ka badai tang na kamta ka jing ya fight yo COVID kan ba COVID bang don andre Chief Minister mendin hi la ai ka jing penbenah ba on perkiu biang sa 6,000 tangka si benai haka baki ASHA kin yo biang sa 6,000 tangka si benai kabut ba kumakalang mata na lor insentif ka baki yo na ka central government lengba ka state government haka yo insentif kan kum ka performance ka joki haka baki yo insentif kindang yo susu ya kini ke extra ka balong fix 6,000 ka barang don COVID nang ta 6,000 per day dalam dosu COVID kindang yo kini 6,000 ka balong ka fix remuneration ka banag ling state government kan ai kita kedai ki jing ka bangal apnong ki khubor ha ka baki mit menen ka jingwan yo siam hama korwat haka bahangahi ngalasim bakalong ka jingker kuba e ka dong ka than bat nganyai budin bagi ni ke hijikren bersuam kin urlong lembakan sarkar juni berutah mulai
ban pentre kam ya ka jing penna menteri rang ba kari Narendra Modi ban pen klan ya ka National Cadet Corps habarok ki jaka jong kari lalong hasor ne hanong kendong nakaliang ADG ka NCC Shillong ananta bhuya ulaong bahin reu hajar lai spa ki kam la mang na kamenta ka thain chate la mingi kari na kani ka jing mang baro Khubor Na Ka Jylla Meghalaya bat buat ka Assam bat ars pa henriu tili ki jaka puli ki badon ya ka NCC haka Jylla UADJ ka NCC Shillong ubuhian ulaong baka NCC kan aila di kena samla bakin long ki bachelor habarok kiliang ka jingdon ka NCC haki jaka puli kan pen create ki samla ki bakwa bandung kam sipai hadin habur.
Yeah, that's right. You know, last year our honorable Prime Minister he announced that the NCC must go to the every border areas and coastal areas. So accordingly, 1 lakh additional vacancies were allotted for enrolling our cadets into those from those areas. So accordingly, our northeastern region we got about 6,300 additional vacancies, and out of these, basically we had gone for those border areas, that is China border, Myanmar border and Bangladesh border. We have allotted these vacancies to all the states. Maximum number of vacancies has gone to Meghalaya followed by Assam. And we have identified total 206 schools oblique colleges in those border areas. Of course, that border doesn't mean that it has to be absolutely on the border. It could be up to 50 kilometers. But our effort had been to go as close as possible in the border areas. Say here I'll give you a side example. Here in Meghalaya, we had gone right up to Dauki, which Dauki is just about half a kilometer from the border. And initially, till recently, we did not have any cadets or any schools and colleges. So I feel after this is implemented, rather it is already implemented, and we'll have cadets coming from the border areas, and it will help in connecting with the mainstream. Thank you.
Ubhuya ulai thoru baka jingpen rong ka NCC kum ka wei ki elective subject ha kerdan puli degree ha ki college bahap ha ka jingpen yat ki nehu kan ailat ya u ni ka khna bakin kham kio habaro kiliang.
Well, good that you have asked me this question. I wanted that somebody should ask me. You know, so far NCC training had been an extracurricular activities, which means a cadet, besides his 5-6 subjects, he had to do additional NCC training. Though there are benefits, but now with NCC becoming an elective subject, so he can choose out of those additional subjects, which means now on a credit based he can select NCC as one of the subjects. It is no more now extracurricular activities.
So anybody can take?
No, firstly he has to be a cadet, and that too if college or school, if there is NCC already existing, then only. Otherwise, if in a school or college there is no NCC, then he cannot take NCC as an elective subject.
What is the curriculum?
Well, as I mentioned, it includes all the training activities. That is, you have normal drill, PT, map reading, the conduct of the camps, and some written and theory part also. But basically, it's related to the armed forces.
Madaki tu ki Khubor ngil aposh bakun, tak ada dengan Shembiang kubli Shibon.